So, despite the recent launch of the Pixel 9 series, details about the upcoming Google Pixel 10 lineup are already surfacing. A fresh leak has unveiled codenames for 4 Pixel 10 models, providing insight into Google's next wave of flagship devices and reaffirming the company's commitment to its current lineup structure. According to a report from Android Headlines, the standard Pixel 10 is internally designated as Frankel, while the Pixel 10 Pro carries the codename Blazer. The larger Pixel 10 Pro XL is referred to as Mustang, and the foldable Pixel 10 Pro Fold goes by Rango. These codenames seem to draw inspiration from horse breeds and well-known racehorses, possibly hinting at speed and performance improvements. Although Google is known for using themed internal names, the true significance of these choices remains unclear. One major takeaway from this leak is Google's apparent decision to maintain the 4-model structure introduced with the Pixel 9 lineup. Notably, the continuation of the compact Pixel 10 Pro suggests that its addition to the Pixel family was not a one-time experiment. However, the leak also confirms the lack of a standard Pixel 10 XL, signaling that Google will once again skip offering a lower-cost large-screen variant. While a premium Pixel 10 Pro XL appears to be in development, those hoping for a more budget-friendly big-screen Pixel may be disappointed. Beyond the Pixel 10 series, the report also revisits the upcoming Pixel 9a, which carries the codename Tegu, named after a species of lizard. This information is not entirely new, as previous leaks have already revealed it. However, its inclusion in this latest report reinforces speculation that the Pixel 9a will be the next Google phone to hit the market. If the company follows past trends, the Pixel 9a is likely to be introduced at Google I/O 2025 in May, continuing Google's pattern of unveiling its A-series devices during its annual developer conference. While this leak offers an early glimpse into Google's future flagship plans, the Pixel 10 lineup itself is still months away from release. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming Google Pixel 10 series? Drop your opinions in the comments below, and as always, I'll catch you in my next video.